Back to school time is a combination of excitement and sometimes a little nervousness, huh?
Yeah.
So if your kids need a little bit of a break to calm those back to school jitters, go ahead and play these 3 fun games with school supplies. For this game, we are using our brand new sheets of paper and we're going to make mini airplanes. So we want to make them small enough that they can land on our erasers. So we're going to see who can be the first one to build a micro airplane and then land it on an eraser. Go! Oh, it overshot it. I gotta go smaller. Hey! There's some traffic in the air on this one. You gotta fly it from back here. Oh, so you gotta have it at least like a foot back. Oh.
Well, that was way too far.
That was super far, huh?
Hey guys, let's see how far they go.
Wow.
I wonder how far this would go. Because like, when you push it, because it's so light.
It would be pretty fun to take this outdoors and put the erasers super far away instead of super close on the table. That would be fun. Oh, you had it so close. It's on!
No!
Oh, that was totally on! I'm the winner!
No!
Yep.
You have to win 3 times.
You have to win 3 times. Alright, but for you, we'll move on to the next round. For this game, we are going to be using pencils to draw, but we won't be using the lead in them. We're going to be using the actual pencils as our tools. So, for instance, you'll be using them to make shapes, and the other person has to guess what it is. Or if you want to do a different twist on it, you could just give everyone pencils and say, everybody draw the same shape, and it could just be a fun art activity. But we're going to play the Pictionary style round. Alright, so we are ready to start drawing. Grant wants me to be the first one to be the artist, and he's going to be the guesser. And he's given me a category of back to school, so we know it's going to be back to school themed. You ready? Okay, we'll see how quickly he can guess what it is.
Oh, it's a pencil.
How did you know it was going to be a pencil? Because it looks like it's going to start having a long shape.
Yes.
That was the world's fastest guessing.
Straight away.
For this game, each person will need one of their pencil erasers and then a cup of water and an empty cup. Because this one could get a little messy, I also have a little tray underneath to make sure that no water spillage gets on the table. I think he's going to have fun with it, huh?
I'm so excited.
We're going to be timing it for 60 seconds. And we're going to use our erasers as little buckets to try and get as much water from this cup into this cup. Whoever has the most water in it at the end of 60 seconds is the winner. You ready?
Yeah.
Go!
Okay.
We gotta figure out the best techniques here.
I found the best technique.
You did? You definitely have to give it a good shake to get it all out is what I'm learning. Otherwise, only a couple drops come out to start. So it hides in there a little bit more. Ooh, that was a good one. I think I got the bubbles out. That helped it go faster. 9 seconds left.
No!
5, 4, 3,
How do you have that much?
1. Oh, stop. How do I have that much?
Bye.
I was moving pretty fast. You were letting yours sit in there a little bit longer and I went a little bit faster. So holding it up, that is pretty close, but I'd say I do have a little bit more. I think pretty soon he's going to look like the winner. Oh my goodness. What a winner. You're done. That was the speediest round ever to get that much water over. Well played.
Well played.
Well played. Alright, if you enjoyed these and you want to check out more, we'll put 4 more games of back to school supplies in the description below. And if you enjoy this, be sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you next time. Bye-bye!